My name is Joseph Swallow. I live in Blackpool, and I've just recently recovered from treatments from, first of all, in Preston Hospital, and then secondly through the IV clinic where I received daily antibiotics. It was established I had an infection surrounding my bowel in a liquid form, but needed antibiotics, and that's all I was really being kept in hospital for. So you can imagine the relief I felt when they offered me to go to South Shore IV clinic, as it allowed me to go home and receive the same treatment I was receiving in hospital. So I was initially very anxious when I was told about the clinic, because I didn't know what to expect. I'd never heard of it before. But that was soon alleviated, because on reception in the clinic I was greeted very friendly by the nurses. First names were given, and they then listened to my story of my background, what was wrong with me, which was more than what I came in for, but they still listened. I did notice when I was there the extreme attention to cleanliness. So very, very clean. The staff were very friendly, and they also offered a great deal of sympathy towards me as a patient. I didn't feel as though I was just another patient that was getting treated. They asked me what was wrong with me, and at the time I had a number of things wrong with me due to my kidney failure. And they put me at ease with not to worry about it, and that step by step we'll be able to alleviate each problem. When I was in the clinic having treatment, sometimes I would see regular people having a blood transfusion, and on listening to their experience, it was the same with every patient that came in. The introduction, the sympathetic ear, the treatment, the pamphlets educating them on what could happen or what might happen to them, after they received the treatment. So yeah, I noticed that a lot, and established friends with other patients that came regular. Because of the treatment I received, the difference I've found in myself is quite substantial. As I am today, I find that I'm a lot more confident. Because of my blood results, I'm seeing it on paper that nothing further is happening to me, and I'm slowly building back up my strength. Because of my experience in the clinic and where I am today and how I feel today, I do feel it'd be a good time if I could put out a message to any future patients that are thinking about using the clinic, to set their minds at ease and to assure them that if they go in, they'll be treated with privacy, care, and the best of treatment. And I would recommend anybody to go. There's no pain, there's no anxieties that you should have about it. Just go, and it will save you time in hospital. I'd like to end this interview with a big thanks to Jenny and all the team, and to say that providing I don't have to buy any more Maltesers, I would definitely come again to receive the care and treatment that you've given me, and I'm very appreciative of that treatment, and I thank you very much.
I'd like to say thank you to Joe for his kind words about the IV service and the team members. It's fantastic to hear that the care and treatment he has received within the clinic has been to such a high standard, and that this is continued with all patients attending for treatment. Joe has been a very thoughtful and considerate patient and a pleasure to treat. We are all pleased to see he is on the mend and wish him lots of luck for the future. Thank you, Joe.